How to find a song on Instagram. There are two ways to find music on Instagram. One way is by creating a story or a reel and adding music from there, but there is another method that gives you more options and lets you explore different tracks before using them. Let me show you how. First, open the Instagram app. Tap the search icon at the bottom left, then tap the search bar at the top. Now, type in a keyword related to the music you're looking for. For example, type fun and tap search. At the top of the results, you will see different categories like top, accounts, and audio. Tap on audio. This will show you a list of songs related to your search. You will see song titles like Fun Song for Christmas or Funny Songs. If you are looking for a specific type of music, such as Christmas songs, just type Christmas in the search bar and tap on audio. You will now see a list of Christmas-themed songs. If you tap on any song, it will take you to a page where you can see all the reels and videos that have used that audio. You can scroll through these videos to get inspiration for your own reel. That's how to find a song on Instagram.